The students are learning academics through AI tutors, which give
We'll call those the teachers. And then they move
one-on-one
into,
personalized curriculum.
you put the third graders in a room all by themselves, and they're going to learn financial literacy and entrepreneurship and public speaking with no teachers. Oh, come on. Come on. Welcome to another reaction video. Today we're going to be responding to an internet rando. I don't know who he is, who has some comments about some educational experimentation. I think we really ought to stop experimenting on kids, really. As we go through this video, I want you to watch it very closely because I think that somebody's pulling a fast one. And I will point the whole setup is they've got this school without any teachers, and the kids are doing marvelously. And however attractive that idea might be, there's a problem. We'll start with this first image here. Who's that big kid up front? What do you, this shows us the state of education in America today. They show us a picture of a school with a class and with a big kid up front and another big kid in the back. Look, no teachers. How'd they accomplish this? Why, we don't call the teachers teachers.
There is a school in Texas that only has 2 hours of class per day, is taught by AI, and has no teachers. And
no teachers in the 2-hour academic block. And then they move into the rest of the day where they learn a bunch of stuff.
Results are kind of scary. Students at Alpha School are testing in the top 1 to 2% nationally. In fact, it's been so effective that they're now expanding across America to Florida, Arizona, California, and New York. The students are learning academics through AI tutors, which give them,
we'll call those the teachers. And then they move into
personalized curriculum. And after their short morning academic block, the rest of the school day is spent learning real-world skills like public speaking, entrepreneurship.
From whom do they learn public speaking? Do they? Oh, golly.
Speaking, entrepreneurship, and finance.
Entrepreneurship, financial literacy, all by themselves. You put the third graders in a room all by themselves, and they're going to learn financial literacy and entrepreneurship and public speaking with no teachers. Oh, come on.
And financial literacy. They also built a school in Brownsville, which is one of the poorest school districts in the country, and the students there demonstrated 2.1 times faster learning compared to national norms. So the question is, should more schools around the country adopt this approach, or is this something that could never work for larger schools?
It's simply a bait and switch. Let's fix it by renaming everything. As my great-great-grandmother may have said, Land of Goshen.